In this video, we will cover what's probably been the second most requested feature in Top Dog Events after these little drop-down filters, and that is event filters. So an event filter will give you the ability to, permanently filter the events that you want to see in your trial list. So you can access this by clicking the menu, selecting Profile, and clicking Event Filters. And by default, everything will be selected, so you'll need to go through and unselect the event types that you don't want to see, and the same for the states as well. So we're filtering by agility trials and scent work trials in Western Australia. So you can see that's drastically reduced the list there. If you want to have a look at maybe what obedience trials are coming up, these filters will still work, and they will just overwrite what you're looking at for this particular session. So if we refresh this screen, it'll go back to our agility and scent work filter. So just to show that working, I'm going to switch this to add Victoria and New South Wales to the list. And there you can see we've got some New South Wales and Victorian trials in there as well. These filters will affect the upcoming events tab, the past events tab, the results tab, and the summary of events on the main page. These filters have been designed to be an opt-out approach, so when Top Dog Events starts supporting extra disciplines, or if we happen to do the locations a bit differently, they will be added onto the list and automatically ticked. This was done so basically if new stuff comes along, people aren't magically going to miss out because they're not filtered by default. And that's about it. I hope you enjoy.